If you're unable to find the Allow Camera Access option for Instagram on your iPhone, follow these steps to resolve this issue. First, adjust privacy settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Privacy. Now over here, you're gonna find a different option. Head over to the option Camera. Make sure you have enabled for the option of Instagram over here. If not, you can disable it and again enable it. Then you can head back. Now, scroll down and navigate to the option Apps. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, click on it. Now, you might find the option of camera over here and you can enable for this option. In case you are unable to find this option, what you have to do is head back, go to the main page of settings. Now, navigate to the option Screen Time. Go to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, enable for this option. Now, head over to the option Allowed Apps and Features. Enable for the option of camera. Then you can head back. Now what you can do is force restart your device. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once you force restart your device, now what you have to do is uninstall your Instagram app and again reinstall it. Press and hold on the app. Select the option Remove App. Click on the option Delete App. Click on Delete. Then launch your App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, download it. By following these steps, your problem will be solved. Now you will be able to find the option Allow Camera Access on iPhone on Instagram app. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.